Hello again and thanks for watching. So far we sprouted red top coral seeds and we've made alfalfa and axian water. Last time I showed you how to sprout the barley and this is how it looks like after sprouting. I've cut the sprouts and disposed them. These are so-called berries. I spared a handful and I'll find a later use for them. Then, in order to save on video length, I've pre-processed the barley. As you can see, it's homogeneous. Now, I'm showing you how to incubate it. First, you need to add 2 ounces or 40 milliliters of yeast solution. And 8 ounces or around 200 milliliters of axian water. You need to stir it and incubate it at 85 degrees Fahrenheit or close to 13 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. You can do the oven trick, but you have to check humidity. Stir just twice a day and incubate it for full 24 hours. Then we'll need another 24 hours for cooling, and on the 72-hour mark or 3 days ahead we'll start making berry juice and eye mash. It was a really short video. See you in 72 hours and thanks for watching.